In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text with gradients in Canva. We're going to use one of Canva's built-in app tools to quickly generate a colorful gradient text effect that stands out and looks much more dynamic than plain text. This is a great option for thumbnails, social posts, presentations, or any design where you want your words to grab attention right away. To begin, open Canva in your browser and make sure you're on the main Canva homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you'll start a new design and access more creative tools in the platform. After that, head over to Apps. Canva includes a wide range of apps and integrations, and this is where you can find extra design features that aren't always visible in the standard toolbar. If you've never explored this area before, it's worth knowing that apps can help you create special text effects, generate graphics, and speed up your workflow. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar and type in text gradient. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the exact tool you need, especially since Canva has a lot of app options available. Once the results appear, look for the app called 3D Text Gradient and click on it. Now you can start creating your effect. In the text field provided, add the text you want to turn into a gradient design. Keep in mind that shorter text usually works best for this kind of effect, especially if you want it to be bold and readable. Titles, names, short phrases, or headline-style wording tend to look the strongest. Once your text is entered, click Add to Design. Canva will then place the gradient text directly into your project so you can begin adjusting it like any other design element. From there, you can resize it, reposition it, and combine it with other elements in your layout to match your overall style. If you want the final result to look even better, make sure your background contrasts nicely with the gradient colors so the text really pops. A clean background often helps this effect stand out more clearly, especially in social media graphics or cover designs. And that's it. By using Canva's 3D Text Gradient app, you can create eye-catching gradient text in just a few clicks without needing advanced design skills. Once you've tried it once, it becomes a fast and simple way to add more visual impact to your designs.